Hi, I'm Neil Lehman. I am the General Manager for America's Home Place here in Conroe, Texas. There are a few things that a customer needs to know when they are ready to build an on-your-lot custom home. A customer needs land. We need to be able to identify that piece of land, and if they have not identified it yet, that is something that we can walk them through the process to get that taken care of. If they do not have a soils test already, that is something that we can do for them. And then another important part of this is a survey. If they do not have a survey, that is something we also do and get that taken care of for their property. We've got to know what we're dealing with when we get out there. The next kind of big step is we will do a site visit with them to determine the lay of the land and what needs to happen to that land in order for us to build the home. You know, some of the other key factors are, do you need a driveway? Do you need a septic? Do you need a water well? So these are things that once we get out there and we do a site visit with our customers, we identify these things and we talk to the customer about these to see what we need to do and or what is already taken care of. Once again, this is Neil Lehman with the Conroe, Texas location. If you are in the area, come on by and we will be happy to serve you.